he was on his way out, but supposedly there's another event at 4:30, so I'm gonna see if I can catch that. I got a few minutes to wait. There's that sweet Mustang though. Here's that Mustang that was in front of me. Let's check this thing out. Oh my God, I love these things. They're just so good looking, super classy. Just such a good looking car. This one looks like it's getting some work done to it, but at the same time, I don't want to make any assumptions. So yeah, no assumptions. Maybe they're just leaving it like this. Either way, it's a slick, good looking car. I love these things. And look at what else I found. Good old Chevy Camaro. I really also love these cars. This one is an SS. My dad used to have a Camaro, so I do have a soft spot for Camaros. Good old Chevy Camaro SS. That's another good looking car. Alright, that's it. Stop the show. Look at this thing. He somehow snuck by me, and he's parked over here separately from all the other Corvettes. Look at this thing. Wow. I love these older Corvettes. I just absolutely love them. I mean, look at the inside of this thing. This interior looks like it's what a spaceship would look like, you know, from 1956 or whatever. Gorgeous lines, gorgeous styling details. I wonder what year it is, though. How's it going?
Good, self.
Not too bad. Was just talking to the owner. He's going to repark himself with the rest of the Corvettes. Parking around here is pretty confusing. I wasn't sure where to go, and other cars weren't sure where to go. Something about him being parked over here by himself suited the car. Oh man, all sorts of cars are showing up for this thing. Look what I found over here. Boom. Yes, that is a Ferrari. He's a Ferrari. You don't see too many Ferraris around here. They're around, but you don't see too many of them. Ah, it's just awesome. So awesome. I want you to know, there's another Corvette there. All right, that's enough ADD for me. Let's get back to the Corvettes. I was just on my way out and I saw this guy pulling in. It's got a nice sound to him. This is an old classic Corvette for sure, but this thing's got a little more badassness to it. Looks like it's got some interior work done. Could be wrong, I am by no means an expert. And look at this thing, it looks like a little race car. Lots of cool cars today. I'm super impressed.